I got a 2004 Buick Regal. I'm installing the passenger side front door glass that was broken by accident. So the first thing I do here is I remove the screw right here behind the lever, and it's the Phillips screw. I remove that. Also, you have two 10mm screws down here in the door handle. Two 10mm screws. I remove those. Then once you remove that, you take your little pry bar and you reach up underneath and you pop off the door panel like so. And you got a few wires back here. You just unplug the wires. You got a speaker back here. Unplug the speaker. And you have a switch here. A door lock switch. You just push down on here. And unplug that, put that up out the way. And voila, the door panel comes off. Take that off, put that to the side. Alright. Next, you can take this plastic and just take it loose. Pull it over to your side. Get it out the way. Just tuck it in over here somewhere. Get it out your way. Okay. What you're gonna have to do then is take your window switch. You can plug it back up so you control the glass. Turn the key on. Let me turn the key on. Okay, I move the glass down to where I can get to the bolts for the glass. Turn the switch back off. Alright, that's held in with 10mm. Remove those. Remove those, two screws, 10mm screws. Take those out. Reach in, get everything out. I'm going to get my vacuum cleaner and clean this out. I'm going to put you on pause and I'll get back. Alright, I'm back. I took the vacuum cleaner and vacuumed out all the glass and stuff that was broken down in here. I didn't want to do it on film because you wouldn't be able to hear me speak over the vacuum cleaner. So I decided to put you on pause and clean it out. And then we back. Next, you remove this trim right here so you can actually put the glass in. Okay, clean out all your tracks. There's some glass broken all down in here. Okay, clean that off. Let me pause you so I can get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Alright, got the other 10mm screw. Put that in here. Put that in here. Alright, turn my switch back on. Alright. Check the operation. in the track. That glass in, seem to be in the track. Check the operation of it. Seems to be doing pretty good. 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 Alright. Just got to install the glass in. Glass is working pretty good. Thanks for watching. That's how you install the glass. Hit the subscribe button below. Comments, likes, dislikes. Thanks for watching.